The principle of closure states that when we look at a complex arrangement of visual elements, we tend to look for a single recognizable pattern. In other words, when you see an image that has missing parts, your brain will fill in the blanks and make a complete image so you can still recognize the pattern. For example, when you look at this image, you likely see a zebra, even though the image is just a collection of black shapes. Your mind fills in missing information to create a recognizable pattern based on your experience. The closure principle is used often in logo designs at a variety of companies like IBM, NBC, Zendesk, and Funding Circle. You can apply closure in all sorts of imaginative ways to win users' admiration and trust when they recognize pleasing holes in cleverly placed elements, be they lines, dot, or shapes. Another example is a circle drawn using broken lines is still perceived by the brain as a circle. Through this example, we can infer the brain's tendency to ignore the gaps and see the figure as a circle. Previous experience with a figure or form facilitates our natural tendency to perceive an incomplete or partially hidden object as the same object that's stored in our memory. Most user-experienced practitioners do not have much control over our company's logo design. However, icons serves as another vehicle for the principle of closure. For example, Google Slides apply the principle of closure to one of its icons. The icon communicates function through a minimalist visual design. Sometimes closure fills in spaces between images to create motion. Instead of seeing snapshots, we see a video. When presented with complete objects and information, humans have a tendency to fill in the blanks. As designers, we can apply the principle of closure to simplify visual elements and communicate additional information. One should keep in mind the law of closure when structuring presentation.